foolish are those people who are rigid. If you don't believe, just 10 years of history ko dekh lo boss. Everything has changed right in front of you. Mobile phones have got a camera. Most of people are taking photographs. What does it mean? If those who don't change, they are out of the market. Everything is changing right in front of you. So that means the only advice I can give to all of you, Baba, do not be so foolish to say I am married to Java, I am married to .NET, I am married to cloud technology. Don't get married to any technology. Get married to your future. Sometimes I feel I have 30% clarity to start, but when I start, it doesn't last for a week also. How to know it is my real calling? Swapnil, you're trying to go too detailed right now about calling. I'll tell you how calling will be identified. I did not knew my calling for a long time. Trust me. I started experimenting. Always remember one principle. Don't run away from a subject just because it is difficult. I repeat again. Don't run away from a subject just because it is difficult. There's a big difference between calling, leaning towards versus running away. I'll give you an example. In my personal coaching, I take almost one workshop on how to help people to identify their patterns. Running away versus leaning forward. Let's take an example. When I left my job, why did I left my job? Because I was not enjoying my job. I was not running away from it. I leaned forward to my career growth. When I changed from one company to another company, why? I wanted some growth in my career and I felt my existing company cannot give me growth. So I leaned forward. What is running away? When I left my school and college, that was running away. To be honest, I was not enjoying studies, so I was running away. I was scared. I was running away. Running away is not a solution. Leaning towards is a solution. What is leaning towards? You see there is some growth potential. I want to go and grow further. I want to leave it. That is growing. So leaning forward is a solution. Running away is not a solution. If you are leaving in after some time, chances are high you are finding it difficult. It's like a lot of people start sales career and leave. You know why? They call 2 people, they reject, and they are now gone. They don't call anymore further. I have trained salespeople a lot, and they cannot have the courage. They cannot handle 2 rejection, and they're letting go a beautiful career. Because once somebody can handle 1,000 rejections, this guy can accomplish whatever he want to accomplish. They got this option, but they could not handle this. They left out of the career. So don't run away. If running away you are doing, then this is not a good answer because you will spoil your life.